Let's say you're selling these developer stickers via Facebook ads. Now, if you were to target marketers, then you will have a really hard time selling it, because marketers would not want to buy stickers related to JavaScript and Python. But if you target developers, then it will be really easy to sell it, because they love their technologies. They will easily want to buy stickers that are related to Python, JS, and all these technologies. So that's how important targeting is. Similarly, there are multiple categories who can buy a product. What you really want is, you want to go after the category that really has a burning desire for buying a product, so you have the most chance of making a sale. So let us discuss how you can find the best category for your product. So the first thing that you want to do is to use your mind and spit out all the categories that might find your product useful. You do not have to judge anything, you just have to write them out, because you will later judge them. So whatever comes to your mind, simply write that down and you'll be having 10 to 20 categories. So for example, if you're a marketing agency and you want to sell services where you advertise the business on Google Maps by advertisements, so you can write multiple categories which might be interested, like yoga studios, like gyms, like restaurant, like that. Next, we are going to use the negation technique of Charlie Munger, who is a billionaire and is a really big personality in the field of value investing. So when he's investing in companies, what he does is, from all the list of companies, he filters out the bad ones. The companies that have high amounts of debt, it's lots of capital, don't have any competitive advantage, he filters them out. Similarly, we are going to filter categories from the list. So you can easily filter out the categories that are very slow to buy things, like hospitals, like schools. Also filter out the categories that are hard to convince, like doctors, attorneys. Also filter out the categories that are unhabitual to business expenditure or have low margins. So for example, we have yoga studios and gym owners. So gym owners are quite used to spending a lot of money for the gym equipments and marketing. So you can target them. So using these techniques, you can easily filter it out and you will be left with 4 to 5 categories. Next, what you need to do is to simply rank them. So rank them from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 being the category that has the most burning need for a product. So like that, rank it. Next, you have to pick up the number 1 category and go all into it. What you really don't want to do is to spread all your efforts into various categories, because that is inefficient. So let's say you have identified that plumbers or electricians are the best fit for your Google ads. So in that case, you want to do 100 calls to them only, because when you do the 101st call, you have so much context about their industry that you will be really able to connect with them, and you will have a really high chance of selling a product to them. So you don't want to be jack of all trades, you want to pick a category and become a master at it, so you can make your pitch resources more convincing and easily convert that category. So focus on one category only, because that gives exponential results. We also give you a checklist like this one, using which you can determine the best category for your business. Don't tell me that you already know that this is the best category for a business, because see, it only takes 10 minutes of effort to do this checklist, but you might find a category that is really having a burning need for a product and become so much easier for you to sell, saving hours of time in the field.